it's Robin and welcome back to another video. Today I finally am going to share with you my fall home tour. I know a lot of you have been asking me for this, but I just haven't been feeling like decorating for the fall season until just this week. And then I went like super crazy and like got it all done in like a couple days. So I had fun with it. I hope you enjoy it. So for my decor this year, I kept things very, very simple. I didn't go all out. I just tried to add a little bit of the touches of fall here and there throughout the house. And I have to admit though, before I started decorating, I was really struggling with what to do this year. I was very uninspired and I just didn't know which direction I wanted to go with my fall decor this year. And I knew that I didn't want to be real crazy and busy. I just wanted things to be very simple and very natural looking. So I basically just decided on a whim that I was just going to take a cue from my backyard garden and from my neighborhood around me and just all the different colors that are going on in fall and not really stick to any one particular color scheme, which I normally kind of do. So I I'm really surprised and shocked at how everything kind of turned out this year. Even though I was kind of just like flying by the seat of my pants through most of my decorating this year. But I really like how it worked out. You'll notice that I use a lot of natural elements. Like I took clippings from trees and from my hydrangea shrubs and things from outside, and I brought them in and I decorated with them. And then of course there's a lot of pumpkins because pumpkins just mean fall to me. So with the help of a few other things from around my yard and some pumpkins from the grocery store, I am really enjoying the way things are looking in my home, and I hope that you will enjoy it also. So let's go ahead and jump right into the tour. you go, there's my home decorated for fall. I'm so pleased with how it all turned out, even though I really didn't have a plan. But yeah, it all turned out pretty good. I like the mixture of textures, and I love all the pumpkins and all the natural elements, and it just makes me very, very happy. So I am very pleased with the results this year, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I will answer them to the best of my ability. If you are new to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button, because I like to do a lot of decorating videos here on my channel. And I just thank you all for stopping by today, hanging out with me, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye now.